Back at home, we're wondering what the heck's going on. We could be hit with our first winter wallop in years. Eyewitness News caught cameras of trucks already brining the roads in Wilmington, Delaware this afternoon. The chance for some substantial snow could come sometime tomorrow afternoon. And Larisa's been tracking it all day long.
Oh, yes, I have. Myself and the entire weather team included. We have been watching this storm pretty much since last week when it came on our radar. And here it is. I know it doesn't look like much, but this is a piece of its energy. Eventually, it'll work its way south and then work its way back off towards the north. Let's go ahead and talk timing, because if you can't get to the grocery stores or any last-minute errands today, then tomorrow morning you still have time. Notice 11:45, we're dry, and if you do have to head to work tomorrow, it's no problem. It's going to be dry. Roads are dry in the morning, but here shortly after lunchtime, precipitation will be moving into our region. By 6:30, we are talking accumulating snow across Philadelphia and points north and west. Notice the pink shading, because that is very, very important. It's the rain and snow line mix. Right now, many models continue to agree that it's going to settle down just south of the I-95 corridor, which simply means, Philly, we're going to see accumulating snow pretty much from noon all the way through Saturday, or I should say Wednesday afternoon and into the evening hours. By Thursday, notice how we may change over into rain and snow across Philadelphia, but by Thursday morning, we're back to seeing some snow, which is why significant precipitation is likely, significant snowfall amounts is likely across not only Philly, but look at what's expected further off towards the north. We're talking anywhere between 12 to 18 inches of snow, and some spots, listen carefully, some spots can pick up locally heavier amounts of snow. So we are going to be watching this very closely, but here's the general consensus. Philadelphia, you're going to pick up anywhere between 6 to 12 inches. If there is any mixing overnight on Wednesday, this number can shave down a little bit, but what we are sure is that we're going to see a bullseye across the north and western ports of the region, where we're anticipating up to 2 feet of snow in some spots. Now, further off towards the south, South Jersey, take a look, 1 to 3, and then Cape May County. As of right now, we're just tracking mostly rain. So here's what you need to know with tomorrow's forecast, tomorrow's storm. It arrives midday Wednesday. Heavy snow with some areas picking up upwards of 18 inches in some spots, especially north and west. We're also tracking strong winds, and that can lead to coastal flooding. Take a look at the pressure gradient. It begins to tighten as we head towards our Wednesday evening, and that's just winds. Winds will be very significant. We also have the possibility for coastal flooding, which is why a coastal flood watch has gone into effect. That does include our Jersey Shore points back down towards Delaware, and water will be piling up as these winds begin to ram our Jersey coast. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the other element of the storm, because it's winds, and of course if you saturate the grounds and you add on winds, we could be seeing some power outages, which is why the storm is so significant. Wednesday, 10:30, winds will be cranking up anywhere between 40 to possibly 50 miles an hour. They'll continue to be a factor here for the rest of our Wednesday and into Thursday. So here's what you should be planning for: possible power outages. If you don't have to leave your home, the best bet is to just stay home Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. Icy roads, bitterly cold on the backside of the storm, and we are only in the 30s, Jim, by Friday afternoon.
Oh boy. Checking back on the weather with a live look at Bethlehem. Some sun shining through. Just you can see like little glimmers there, but depending on where you are, you may be seeing a few clouds to start your day.
All right, and the humidity about to pick back up again right where we left off. Meteorologist Llarisa Abreu in our next weather center.
Good morning, both of you. It's Wednesday. We made it to the middle of the week, and today, while we are going to track a relatively quiet day ahead, we still have some showers out there. We also are going to welcome back the humidity and the heat. Seasonable conditions. Let's go ahead over to the BAM, because we are once again on track for what's going to be an average type of day. Not a picture perfect day. The sunshine's still hiding from us, but at least we're dealing with largely dry conditions on this Wednesday. Seasonable, cloudy stretch ahead. A brief hot day again for Thursday, and then a few scattered showers to round out the week on Friday. I want to quickly peek here at visibility, and right now most of us are off to a very clear start. It's just south across Cape May County, Wildwood, Cape May itself, seeing visibility down to just 5 miles. If you're heading that way, just keep that in mind as you plan out your morning. Next 12 hours look like this: 75 at 7 a.m. under cloudy skies. We could see a few of those clouds break for sun, but it's just going to be a little slither of sunshine. At 9 a.m. Philly will be at around 77 degrees. Closer to lunchtime, not bad. Temperatures climbing to 83. And then eventually we do top out in the mid 80s later this afternoon, actually near average, which is 88 for this time of the year. Your next 24-hour show, a few passing showers south of us throughout the day. Otherwise, we'll be in and out of cloud cover. By the time Thursday rolls around, we'll watch for a few showers early, and then a better shot of rain arrives Friday with a cold front. Here's one thing we'll be watching: Thursday, heat humidity return. On Friday, still muggy, but that cold front will certainly ease the humidity throughout the weekend. A better shot of rain arrives by Monday.
Thank you, Larissa.